Hello students, I'm here with the notes of chemical kinetics part 2, that is collision theory. As you all are aware कि in the previous session जो ये part था collision theory वाला ये delete हो गया था. So that's why I have prepared notes of this part so that easily you can learn this part. So collision theory, Arrhenius equation वगैरह and इनके numericals वगैरह these are there in this video so you can prepare the notes and learn the concepts. So all the NCERT questions related to this topics are there in this video so you can watch the solution of that NCERT questions also.